Hola! Hi! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is a nonsense vlog. I'm trying to do some photos, but of course, babies like this. I don't know what she's doing. Hola! Okay, so today we're gonna talk about how I do my night routine to make, because Matilda is sleeping like all throughout the night. She's sleeping very good throughout the night, so I have a basic routine that she's getting used to it. So I train with her how to the sleeping training, and it was really amazing. It helps a lot. I'm gonna share with you how I do it. So first things first, I do during the 6 o'clock at the she's listening because she knows I'm doing it to her. At 6 o'clock in the afternoon, I do close already the windows and prepare for her to, for her that it's time. It's almost bedtime for her. So 6 or past 6, I'm starting to do the bath for her. And then once I give bath, make sure I usually give her at night. Why? This, my mother's always asking me, why are you giving bath at night? Because in Philippines there's always a misconception, they give bath in the morning. But the thing is, giving a bath before bedtime, it helps a lot for many reasons. It will helps to makes the baby calm. So I'm giving bath at 6 before bedtime, and then play a little bit after bedtime. So make sure it's warm, of course, the water. And then after that, I do give of course, but to make sure before you give bath, make sure the baby is calm. She's not hungry, she's not overfeed. Do not give bath right after feeding. So I usually give, when I give her the bath, I breastfeed first, but after I make it rest at least 30 minutes. That's what I do. And then after bath, I give play a little bit, and when she will play at least an hour, maximum an hour. Oh no, don't hurt mommy. So at least an hour. So I know when she will be sleepy. That makes sure that my lights already dim lights. So again, also I'm also doing after bath playtime, and also tummy time. That's the most important thing. And also I'm giving the massage right after bath, giving some cream, and while I'm giving the cream, I'm giving her the massage. She loves it a lot, and it helps a lot to avoid some colic, so thank God. That's why maybe she never had a colicky, she never been a colicky baby, so that helps a lot. That's what I'm doing. So tummy time also helps a lot. So oh God, oh Matilda. So that's what I do. So the mind of the baby, if it's dark, she knows that it's already bedtime. So I know I will notice that she's really sleepy when she cries, and she's doing like this many times. She's soothing herself by doing this, and on or before 8 o'clock or the early, like 7:30, she will fall asleep really good. But and that's it. But sometimes she's waking up like, she wants some attention, she doesn't want to be alone. But anyway, once she sleep on her bed, and she cry for some attention, I never carry her again, unless it's some pain, unless you're sick or something. But if she wants just attention, I know you're gonna know if the cry needs some attention. So she just wants attention, I just let her sleep and just give a pacifier. I never carry her again. Why? Because once you carry her again, see, she's doing it because she's sleepy. She's doing like this. So that's the thing. Don't carry her again once she cry again after just few minutes after you put her down sleeping. just give pacifier and soothing herself, like to touch and calm down, and mommy's here or something like that, and she's falling back asleep once I do that. So it will really helps a lot. That is my usual and basic nighttime routine with her. It's gonna be really help for you and for your babies. No, baby, no, don't eat mommy's hair. Oh my god, this is so dangerous. I really need to cut my hair. I should. Okay, we are vlogging like this. So I just put her. So well, anyway, I hope this helps for all, especially for all first-time mommies out there. I'm sharing this information because I never did it on my first child. Take note, this is my second baby, and on my second baby, I never did those sleep trainings. So, and this sleeping training that I'm doing with Matilda, it helped a lot, and for sure, it can help also to your babies. So, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you find this interesting and informative. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this video. And if you want to know anything about being an expat mom or anything about in Portugal, I'm also sharing my vlogs about Portugal and my adventures and lifestyle. Give me a huge like, subscribe, and turn on that notification so you will never miss my future vlogs. And yeah, that's it. Are you enjoying it? She loves eating her finger. So yeah, see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Ciao. We are wearing red. We are making some short homemade photo shoot for us.